Hey everyone, are you facing iCloud activation lock links or locked owners on any iPhone's device without doing a jailbreak? How do you fix it with the help of PC or laptops at your home? No hassles. Yes, if you are having this kind of challenges, what happens? It happens when we have entered multiple times screen wrong passcode, or maybe sometimes you are not a genuine owner of the particular device. You have got in anywhere, or maybe your device is in the blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or unfortunately you have purchased a second-hand device and the previous owner who has erased everything and stuck on a cloud activation. So if you are having these kind of challenges, most common on iPhones, MacBooks, or iPad, so you will have to apply a similar strategy. Firstly, we will get it DNS configuration from the cloud data and the Apple database by accessing a iTunes. iTunes, as we know that this is a iDevice management tool of Apple itself, so it has developed. So we are trying to have the configured of DNS that what's the saying. If it is essential that activation locked or this device is linked to the particular ID, enter the Apple ID and password because more than 200 issues can be occur on a particular iPhones. So right now this device came to my shop the morning time. So today especially this is the second device that I'm trying to fix right now, so where the live demonstration may be useful for someone who's having this kind of challenges, guys. So right now this is linked to other particular, enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. Means is asking our demanding the previous owner's ID to especially activate our fields. So if you don't know what's the actual ID and password via iTunes, it's detecting that this kind of the things, and then we will go for firstly reaccumulate all the retaining data on itself on this device. So how it is, just simply we will go for edit. So ECID will be annotated. Now we'll go for here, include the betas, select the a specify API announce, and we will go for edit. So it's essentially the multiple times can be rebooted. So don't worry, you will have to relax and check it out that how many times it's going to especially. Here if 3U tool is especially exit from it, you will have to use one is a 3U tool, second is the imaging PC, and third is a special blobs web, fourth one is iTunes. Four tools you will have to use. So these all tools can be applicable on any operating system, either it is Windows 10, Windows 11, or Windows 8.1 or 7s. But RAM of your PC or laptops, that should be more than 8 GB, so that all the tools will be not freeze, or it will be a functional fully. All the tools and driver are absolutely free. You can visit on itself a website, and thereupon of course you can download, no problem at all. So now see, it is still entering on a Swiss line recovery. When till it's not finishing proper way, till we will have to wait it. When finish will be highlighted, then we will exit, because all the data that has been finally reaccumulated on it. So maybe sometimes two to three times, five times it will reaccumulate. So now see API announce gotten successfully here, successfully got. So now it has especially reaccumulated on it. So we are waiting for when it will be highlighted, then we will, let's see what's going to happen. The timer is in front of everything. Within 20 minutes we will have to fix it. So yes, you have a also limited times, then you should have approximately 30 minutes, then you can apply, otherwise this is a manual method. So that's why, guys, now finish has been highlighted, we will close it, and then we can close, and then of course here we'll open a 3U tool. 3U tool here, let's see, 3U tool has now finally open. So here we'll have to wait, otherwise of course we can go the inside of this device, no problem at all. So this is locked to owner files, we will come in here, we will come in here, we come in here, we will come in here, we will come in here. Now it's activating. On the other hand, of course, we will come in a toolbox. Toolbox 2, of course, here is a crash analysis. We will whatever reaccumulated retaining data on itself on a device, that we will delete from here. Now so see, 8 files, 2 more remain, so we will execute to our deletes all the data that has been finished from here, now deleted successfully. So we will come the real-time logs, we will clear 8 less to 20 times we will have to clear, guys, so that especially there will be no remaining data. Why we are trying to clear real-time logs, whatever the Safari history will be, I will clear the from. Now make it pass, guys, we will go for clear. So all the previous ones, especially history that has been cleared. Now this is a third tool that we will have to open. Oh sorry, iTunes I had not to open. Now see, quit something, this is just saying right now. So please here just close this iTunes, close this 2 times, otherwise in a server there will be a maybe little bit disturbance. Now we will use a imaging PC, guys. So let me show, close this iTunes once again. Now we'll go for here use and we will click on here. Now we will come to show device console. So now fetching data has started to fetch files. We will go for clear 8 lists, especially how many times we will have to apply this 20 times. So 20 times it will gradually it will take. So after 10 times when it will verify to our ID, then we will have to refresh this data. So fresh data will be attracted to the clear. Now it has verified files, we will go for have the fresh data. So let's see once again, we will click on here, keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing. So it is accumulating and I am the trying to clear. So now see here we have a one REC mode of 3U tools. This should be especially push this, so device will go in a recovery. Now white screen is coming, so that we can close this multiple apps, that is imaging PC, and we will be on here, we will come on this, and when it will go on a detected automatically, we will go the flash option, flash to, of course we will refresh, and the refresh to, of course here we will delete this because the previous especially one device I unlocked, and that was especially showing here. Now here we will click on here, we will check it out that how many fresh data especially beta version are coming. So if you are not sure, then that conditions, what we will do, guys, here we will come on here on a firmware option, firmware 2, of course. Here we can see out of 3 we can go with this. We should don't go with the REC modes. RC data, of course we will come out of 3. So anyone out of them especially we can download. So we will click on here. Here is especially firmware that we can download or we can import it directly. So we will prefer to import because similar version we will prefer to import. So just I kept on a desktop. Now see here on a desktop in application areas, here we have selected. So last one 44B and 44B, that one is selected. We'll select the quick flash mode, don't select the retain user data, otherwise there will be no benefits. And anti-recovery don't select, it will take a much more time. And fixed flash also don't select. Quick flash and select these ones that you have imported and hit this one. So here don't select the fixed battery. If the battery is draining, battery issues also on iPhones, ask from the customer, and if it is then include this one. But if you include this one, so then manually you will have to restart or reboot of this device because it will stack on a Apple logo phrase once again. So that's why I'm saying, guys, don't select. So firstly fix the especially cloud activation and upon do a later. So now that we can see here, this has been raised on a space layer once again on Apple logo, and there is an 80%. So we are waiting for especially when it cross more than 30%. It means we will have to confine, we will have to understand that it has accepted in the cloud data and the Apple database DNS that is there is no returning data and previous owners that is like shown. Don't worry, either your device is installed and lost and blacklisted, or you have got in a second-hand device and the previous owner is linked. Also you can fix it at your homes. Now that we have reached on a 26-28%, let it cross the 30. Now the finally it has crossed the 35%. Means of course now I am fully confirmed that this device will be completely unlocked. Now 2-3 extra informations that we will have to give you especially here, and at the end of this tutorial 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. Data cable should be a good quality, spontaneously. There should be no moment where you execute this all procedure. Third one, that try to find out the sales area of any iPhones by IMI number, of course. so that when we need it at the end of this tutorial, I will show you if needed, then we can change the immediately internet connection, because 3U tool is working, or all the tools and drivers are functioning on a proper, especially, yes, internet connection. So, and that is only totally based off Apple database, so that's why I'm saying, guys. And so second, internet connection. The third one is especially that I will tell you at the end of, don't worry, to customize of the precise location if needed. 1% is the rarest of the rare case of the device, especially we will have to use, otherwise no. So now that we have the rest on a 52%, let's see what's going to happen. Once again, I repeat, don't confuse, guys. During the flashing process, your device may restart the multiple times, so please don't unplug the device. Yes, and watch carefully till it's not notifying the any error, guys. If it is not notifying the any error, then don't do extra anything, because otherwise this is a technical issues, and of course it will trap you once again in a issues again and again, because of especially why I'm telling you, because more than 200 issues can be especially occur or enter on a particular one iPhone. So that's why I'm saying, just according to the targeted issues we will go for especially address, otherwise no, we don't have much more time. So two more devices especially today I will have to fix that. So see how what's going to happen further. Still I'm waiting for any error or results. Any error comes with this will be especially good for us. Why? It's also because this will show you especially, not for me any error will come extra then, but for you especially, guys, don't skip ahead. Every step is going to the crucial. Spontaneously any error will come, so then you will know also that how to fix immediately of that particular targeted issue. So now that we have the rest on the 80% is more than, but since there is a showing show that 52% is, so this can be jumping order in the descending order or descending order, also in a jumping form. So don't worry, if it is happening, then you have to not worry yet, because directly it will notify you any error occurs then. And I did not jailbreaks, I did not do a, yes, I did not use any chargeable tool by free, of course we have done it. Now we have the rest on a 50% is almost. So let's see the final corollary and of course the consequences of this procedure. Any kinds of the query, confusions, or if my communication is especially beyond of use, then don't forget to drop the comment. Yes, blindly you can without having any hesitations. Freely you can. And of course, if you are confused anything on a particular issues with iPhones, and then give me a screenshot, especially with especially issues name, or the screenshot if you sent it, especially by emails. Of course, that's what we will know that what's in the issues that according to of course we will cause you. So just waiting for the results right now. And if you would like to be the veteran, you would like to be the master to troubleshoot of related to the information technology about especially iPhones, MacBooks, iPad, or yes, Gmail recovery guidelines, protocols related to Gmails, fixing of that, and yes, PC laptops, operating systems, and then you must join this channel, guys, because this kind of information, of course, according to the situation, whatever the customer is coming, especially according to that, if I feel so that it should be especially notable and broadcasted on this channel, so then of course I am doing the particular with real demonstration step by step. So this may be beneficial for you according to the facing of the various kind of challenges related to that. Almost I'm exhausted, guys. Two more devices today I will have to, and so see what's going to happen. Still we are waiting for especially on 68%, and it has almost reached on especially 90%, 95%. So we will have to wait here. Automatically it will guide you that what we will have to do, or notify you that it has succeeded or got an error. Now it's creating a system keyback. So almost especially 2 to 5 minutes, especially this will be completed. Then, but that's my personal experience I'm saying. So because Yes, uncountable devices especially happen, especially happens a lot. I don't remember especially how the device has been especially. So now see here, this procedure can be applicable on any iPhones, guys. So globally, of course, globally, anywhere if you are, especially you can fix it. Now see, it's essentially the congratulations. Congratulations means we have gotten succeed on it. Just we will come in a especially toolbox. We are waiting for the batch activation. Why we will click here? Device is not connected. When it will be connected, then it will be highlighted. So we are waiting for here. Why we will execute in this feature, because this will escape the setting of the reason language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, iDevice, mobile management, locks or time screen locked. So don't worry from the physically, of course, we will exit and we will go the inside of it to especially execute new Apple ID with password. So see the result of here. Just give me a 5 minute. Now the we have to select this one all and we will hit this one. Here any error occurs, immediately change the internet connection and then once again this will be highlighted, execute it. If no errors, then it's okay. Otherwise in the rest of rare case, however it error comes, then we'll have to use the customized precise location by using virtual private nodes of sales area of any iPhones. Sales area means of course and this phone belongs to Hong Kong, so means of course we'll have to utilize the Hong Kong precise location on your especially PC or laptop so that easily we can fix it, because there will be no chances to have in DNS configuration in our cloud data and the Apple database. So that's what I'm saying. And then later I will show you how to restore the local network on your iPhones with your SIM card. Now so I'm the waiting here. So see guys here, so we have the rest and the activity and the skipping of this. Now see here, we are waiting for the results, guys. Yeah, what's this function? Now how much time it will take? So we don't know. It can take 2 to 5 minutes or sometimes in 1 minute. It totally dependent on the cloud data and the Apple database DNS server. So yes, still waiting guys here. Now succeeded. There is no chances to have it, especially changing the internet connection or virtual private network. So just we will go for the activation option. It will give you full confirmation that this device has been completely unlocked or not. So right now it's asking so that we will have to wait 10 seconds. So let's see. Here is especially coming. So there's firmware that I had. Now just we will go for click and succeeded. Now no chances. So let's have especially, we'll go for pain especially iTunes, and once again we will check it out in the cloud data and the Apple database in DNS that it is still having any link to be the particular ID or not. So it's assessing iTunes. Let's see, we are waiting for the results here. I think that there should be no link in the particular ID because everything's done now successfully. Now see, it has welcome to you guys. What do you say, guys? In a cloud data and Apple database, there is no retaining any ID linked with this particular test device. So as a new one, we can enjoy our fares. So let it complete in this rebooting option, then we will see further. But because this iTunes has given a good clearance that there is no retaining data. Otherwise, iTunes were detecting that, of course, it is linked to because at the initial time, as already mentioned to you that was especially linked, but now it's totally clear as a new one. So it's we come on a hello screens, we will come on a here. Once again, it will demand you hello screen. So once again, don't worry, we will come on a here. We will select the speech line, the particular zone. So local area zone of especially you can apply, no problem at all now. So just we will go for especially now by setting language to especially zone, and now we will have option that is a customize here. What? That is erase and start again and continue with the partial setup. So we will prefer to especially don't click on excitement of the erase and starting. We will have to select the continue with the partial setup and system will warm. What's there, guys? If you go the inside of ads, let's check it out. There is no internet connection, it's asking. So finds the connect to the internet to the sign internet device. So without having the internet connection, even we can't initiate of these things, especially a new iPhones. But right now, see here. Now we would like to show you especially Face ID, Touch ID, everything is disabled or still it is enabled. No,